Welcome back to Kif's Crypto, everybody. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about trading platforms out there at the moment, BrightFunded. Now, BrightFunded is a proprietary trading firm based in the Netherlands. It's designed for traders of all skill sets, and this platform offers trading opportunities from $5,000 up to $200,000. With, for the absolute best of the best out there, potentially scaling up to $400,000. The platform is known for its transparent evaluation process, flexible trading rules, and quick payouts. So let's get straight into today's video on BrightFunded. So here it is, guys. Here is BrightFunded. In today's video, we're going to go through the website and I'm going to show you how the platform works. First off, funding your trading ambitions with industry-leading trading conditions. You can manage up to $400,000, as I said. Lightning-fast payouts. Weekly payouts get paid every 7 days, up to 100% profit split. Now, if you're not familiar with proprietary trading or prop trading, it is essentially you utilizing the firm's funds to make trades. And you get to keep a pretty high percent of the profits. Now, they don't just give it to you, you got to do challenges, but we're going to get to that second. So look at there, the industry leading platform, 4 million plus paid out. I think actually yesterday it hit 4.5 million. 4-hour average payout processing time, 150 plus available instruments and crypto pairs, and over 15,000 active traders. They have been featured in some of the biggest publications. We have Yahoo Finance, the Financial Post, Street Insider, and so on. But we want to know how it works. It's essentially a 3-step process. Step 1, you got to complete the evaluation, which is a 2-phase evaluation by achieving a profit target of 8% in phase 1 and 5% in phase 2, while keeping your daily drawdown under 5% and your total drawdown below 10%. Now, once you completed that, you start earning as a funded trader. You receive a new demo trading account where you earn up to 100% of the profits in real money. And you receive your payout from your funded account profits as soon as 7 days after your first trade. As I say, they have very quick payouts. Now, next up, we're going to be going through the different options in terms of account sizes here. Now, BrightFunded have been very kind to the channel when they've given away 3 of the $10,000 accounts to 3 of our lucky viewers. I'll tell you how to take part in that giveaway at the end of the video. But you can select 3 different currencies, your pounds, your euros, and your dollars. And as you can see here, these are the steps, step 1, step 2, step 3. The trading periods are unlimited on all of them, meaning you don't have to squeeze this into a 7-day or 14-day period. The minimum trading days is 5 days. The max daily loss, $5,000 across the board. The max overall loss is $10,000 across the board, meaning you cannot lose any more than $10,000 or they will close the account. You fail the challenge, you'll have to start again. And these are the fees and whether they're refundable or not. Once you get to step 2 and 3, fully refundable. Now, you can start off as little as $5,000 and that will cost you €55. And the $200,000 account will cost you €975. And as I said, we're giving away 3 $10,000 accounts with a value of €95 each. So 3 of our lucky winners are going to just be able to sign up and start the step 1 challenge free of charge with the $10,000 funding account. They have a 24/7 customer service, 2 global offices, and 30 plus dedicated professionals. As I said, they're a Dutch company, so they have offices in Amsterdam, also in Ecuador. And as you can see, these are the payouts. These are the latest payouts here. You can see profit share 23,000, profit share 11,000, all certified. And as I said, lightning fast payouts. Average payout time is 4 hours. And this is one of the beautiful things about this project. You can get paid out in crypto, USDC, instantly into your wallet. I know that's going to be the most preferred payment option for the crypto guys in the space. And if you want to get it straight into your bank, you can send it into your bank account. For a prop trading firm, the reviews on Trustpilot are excellent. And you can see them here, and you can click on to Trustpilot. I'm going to show you actually. And you can see 4.6%. That's incredibly high, particularly for a financial company. I mean, prop trading firms have a bit of a checkered history, some of them. But 4.6 out of 5 is excellent. And you can see the team, everybody's praising the team here. Look, it's top notch, great support center, fast and excellent support. They also have a very strong loyalty program, Trade to Earn. And they believe you should be rewarded for your daily commitment and dedicated to training, regardless of the results. Each trade, profitable or losing, yields BrightFunded tokens as a reward, and each phase of the evaluation process participates in Trade to Earn. As you navigate your trading journey, the BrightFunded tokens accumulate based on the volume, lots, you trade, stacking up in your wallet in the dashboard. And once you're ready, you can use your BrightFunded tokens on trading perks to enjoy your payouts or free evaluations. It is available on the iOS and Android apps and also the web version. That's the website, guys. It is beautifully put together, very clear and concise. And as I said at the beginning of the video, we're going to take a look at the actual platform. So once you sign up, this is the dashboard you're going to get. As you can see, I'm currently on the $50,000 challenge here. I haven't been overly active recently, just because I've had so much else going on, but I will be taking this journey now seriously over the next couple of weeks, and I'll give you an update at the end of the month when I announce the winners. As you can see, I have currently, what kind of profit do I have here? $387 from one trade, and this will show you your max overall loss, which was 82. My max daily loss, which is 2,500, 82 obviously. The minimum trading day is 5. I have 1. So, and then you've got your profile, your earn, your accounts overview, all this over here. Your affiliate portal here, and you will need to utilize this affiliate link to be eligible for the giveaway. But yeah, let's shoot over to the actual trading platform. So guys, once you sign up, you get everything set up and running, you'll get a unique login code, which is in the dashboard. It's not your login that you created when you signed up to the platform. It's a completely different login. You will find it in the dashboard. And once you do that, you log into the back end. This is what it looks like. You can customize this any way you want. You got all your trading tools here. And you can set up your dashboard here to have your favorite pairings involved. Over here is your buy and sell section. At the top here, you can see your balances, your equity, your profit and loss, used margin, and free margin. And over here, if you want to swap to euro, that's possible also. This actually works excellent on a large screen where you can have multiple trading pairs open, different trading charts open, no problem at all. I'll just show you, let's have a quick look at the Bitcoin chart. And as you can see, it is over $100,000 again today. So anybody that's used to trading is going to be very familiar with this very, very quickly. And one option here you can turn on or off is the one-click trading, and it tells you why you should or shouldn't have it on. So guys, that was BrightFunded. This is the best prop trading site I have come across. Simple as that. It works so well. The pros and cons in this, I mean, pretty easy. The transparent rules and fair evaluation process. Everything is above board here. No time limits on the completing the evaluation process. That is absolutely key. Most of these prop trading firms will have some time limit on it, and that just adds extra pressure and usually leads to failure. Another pro is the competitive profit sharing and scaling opportunities. And obviously one of the main pros is the 24/7 support system. Everybody seems to love that. So indeed, they must be very, very quick on the ball there. The fact that people are talking about it on Trustpilot says a lot of how effective that is. Cons, well, not everybody's going to be happy with the fees. I mean, to me, they're quite low. I've seen fees here starting from $299 and up. So the lowest fee on this is $55. I think that's very, very cheap to get in and start using a prop trading. And it's obviously not open to Russia or North Korea. So overall, I have nothing really bad to say about this project. BrightFund is reshaping the prop trading industry with its innovative programs and focus on trader success. The top-notch customer service and lightning-fast payouts make BrightFunded stand out from the rest. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this platform offers opportunities for everyone. Now, as I said, I have 3 $10,000 accounts to give away. To take part, it is very, very easy. You must use the affiliate link in the description and on the pinned comment to sign up and create an account. Secondly, you must be following me on Twitter and on YouTube. And obviously, you're going to have to comment on this video to tell me you've signed up. We will do the giveaway at the end of the month on the weekly update video just after Christmas. So that gives people time. That gives people about 2 to 3 weeks to get signed up, get used to the platform, and we'll do the giveaway on a live stream. So that about does it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button. If you didn't, fuck it, go on ahead and hit the dislike button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to get involved in the competition. All you gotta do is comment below. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you again soon.